Hello, DataViz artists. Today, we're going to be discussing the concept of proportional brushing. Let's use the example dashboard to exemplify the usefulness of this technique. We can see in this dashboard that there's regional sales across the top. Below, we can see the sales for each subcategory. Let's take a scenario in which I'm interested in seeing the amount of sales for each subcategory that's derived from each region. I can do this by creating a set and utilizing a set action, and I'll show you how this functions. If I were to select the West region in the top graph, you can see the reaction of the bottom graph is to show the proportion of sales that are derived from the West region for each subcategory. This is really useful and adds nice context to the bottom graph. If I were to select the West region again, everything would reset and now I can investigate another region. So let's dig in and I'll show you how you can set this up in a workbook for yourself. So I already have these worksheets built. I have the sum of sales for each region as well as the sum of sales for each subcategory. The next thing I'm going to want to do is generate a set based off the region dimension. So I'll come to the region, right click, go to create, and then create a set. I am going to set it as use all for now, so everything is in the in category, and then I'm going to hit OK. The next thing we'll proceed to do is add this set to the color. You can see, since I selected that everything was included, everything is in this set and it doesn't change the color right now. I'll also navigate to our subcategory sales graph and also include this region set in the colors. Now, to be able to show the proportionality of each region in the subcategory graph, I'm going to need to navigate to the dashboard now and set up what's called a set action. So I go to the dashboard, actions, and then I'm going to add an action which is going to change the set values. So let's name this the region set. Region set action. So our source sheet is going to be the region, because that's the one that we're going to be selecting. I want to run my set action upon the selection. So when I select a particular value, our target set is going to be that regional set that we just created. And then upon running the action, I actually want to assign the values to a set in this instance. And then clearing it, we'll just add all the values back and just reset everything for us. So once I have that set up, we really should be good to go. So if I come here and I select the South region, I can now see the proportion of sales that are derived from the South region here in blue in the subcategory graph below. If you have any questions, please comment below. Otherwise, I have linked some valuable articles in the description that I found particularly useful when reading about this topic. But most importantly, I hope you have a great day. Thank you.